Breaking news. Panic as Tinubu is reportedly rushed to hospital in France after New York outing. A report by Jackson Uda, a former aide to ex-President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, about President Bola Tinubu's state of health after his outing in New York has raised series of concerns among Nigerians. Jackson revealed that the president is currently receiving medical attention in France for an undisclosed illness. Noting that an informant in the president's camp informed him of the situation, Jackson noted that Mr. Tinubu was initially billed to return to Nigeria from New York. In his words, Bola Tinubu left New York yesterday after his poor outing at the United Nations and arrived Paris, France, where he is currently receiving medical attention for an undisclosed illness, an informant in his entourage has told me. He was billed to return to Nigeria from New York. Recall that the Punch's reports failed to disclose the president's present location after he departed New York on Thursday. The publication said after he attended the 78th session of high-level meetings of the UN General Assembly, Tinubu departed the country with his entourage on Thursday afternoon. While in New York, he participated in some of the high-level events, including a bilateral meeting and adopted the political declaration to accelerate the 17 goals at the SDG summit. On Tuesday, the president attended the opening of the UN General Debate in the company of the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Yusuf Tuggar, and delivered Nigeria's statement to the world leaders, affirming democratic governance as the best guarantor of the sovereign will and well-being of the people. In his inaugural speech on behalf of Nigeria and Africa, he said Nigeria's accord with the objectives and guiding principles of the world body: peace, security, human rights and development. Finally, on Thursday, he rang the bell at the National Association of Securities Dealers automatic quotation system, reportedly becoming the first African head of government to do so. The president rang the bell at the world's financial capital, New York, and became the first African president to perform such a task. Reactions, however, have continued to trail Jackson Uda's report on the president's health.